Layer the niceties, dawning on the window right on your way, passing through landscapes far and wide. Totems, beliefs, streets, eaves, carved designs where shadows fall. All these visions, rich and rare. Inspiration gathered, materializing through page and pen. Imagination layered high, space and design start to fly. Totems shift from solid to plain, stacked, reshaped, then rearranged, fully engrossed with inspiration and imagination, crafted into pure creation. Every detail, finely traced, becomes the essence of art embraced. Terraced wood relief pivots on designers' unconventional creation and craftsmen's mastery. With cutting-edge techniques at play, complex patterns find their way into the wood sheets. Imagination textures rich and deep, in layered carvings where shadows sweep. Terraced wood relief in varied size injects depth and vitality. Patterns carved with care and grace add architectural charm to space. Be patient, be exquisite. STEREOWOOD, bring imagination to life.